Peace up, A-Town down.
Yeah, okay.
Usher, usher, usher.
Let's go.
In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI. Keep it down on the low key. She know how it is. I saw the shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game, she was sitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to cheat. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow.
Watch out.
She's saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, shorty got down, she said, come and get me. I got so caught up, I got she told me. Cause with my girl, you should be the best of all me. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming. She's all up in my head now. Got me thinking that it might be a good idea to take her with me. She's ready to leave.
Well, let's go.
But I gotta keep it real now. Cause on the 1 to 10, she's a certified 20.